Have you ever wished you could wake up, open your eyes, and just see clearly? No glasses, no contacts, just crisp, vibrant vision? Well, what if I told you there are natural ways to help improve your eyesight in just 7 days? Crazy, right? But stick with me because I'm about to share 3 powerful hacks that could change the way you see the world. Literally. I remember the first time I realized my vision was slipping. Street signs looked blurry, reading was a strain, and the thought of being dependent on glasses forever, it made me feel stuck. But I refused to accept that as my only option. I dove into research, tried every tip I could find, and what I discovered might surprise you. First up, let's talk about the power of eye exercises. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes have muscles that need movement. Try this. Hold your thumb out in front of you, focus on it, then slowly move it closer to your nose. Repeat this a few times a day. It may seem simple, but this exercise trains your focus and flexibility key for sharper vision. Next, I can't stress this enough. Nourish your eyes from the inside. Foods rich in vitamin A, like carrots and spinach, are proven to support eye health. But here's a secret I learned. Adding omega-3s, think salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, can make a world of difference. These nutrients protect your eyes from strain and fatigue, especially if you're staring at screens all day. My third tip, give your eyes a break. Seriously. The 20-20-20 rule is a game changer. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple habit relieves tension and helps reset your focus. I noticed a difference in just a few days: less dryness, less squinting, more comfort. Now, I'm not saying you'll throw your glasses away forever, but these natural hacks have helped me and thousands of others find new clarity. Remember, vision is precious. It's the lens through which you experience life's most beautiful moments. Don't take it for granted. If you found these tips helpful, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with your eyesight? And if you try these hacks, share your results. I'd love to hear your story. Take care of your eyes, take care of yourself, and see the world with new wonder.